Hi, it's Shirley. I will introduce how to weld and cut tube setters in this video. Align the two pieces of tube setters. Workers weld at both ends. Please wear heat-insulating gloves. Gently insert the welding gun into the joint of the two tube setters and stay for 2 seconds. Press it with hands and stay for 5 seconds and wait for the cooling fix. .5 square wire to connect heating wire for cutting. Plug the electric wires into the leaf and neutral at the output. Range of voltage regulation. Slowly adjust from 0 until the cutting heating wire turns red and hot, then stop. Please note that it must be adjusted slowly in a small range. Straighten the heating wire for cutting. Corners cutting according to the actual inside and outside corners dimensions on the project site.
Nice.
Welcome to Contact Shirley.